flew a plane over us, I guess, to make sure we were okay. We're literally... video update for you. We're about 4 miles south of Port Sanilac, and we had a high temp alarm go off on the engine. So we shut the engine down, we checked the sea strainer, we ran a GoPro over the side to see if anything was fouled around the prop. Nothing, everything was fine. So we let it set for a little bit. We opened and closed the seacock thinking maybe there was something clogged in there, and started it back up, and no alarm. And then we went on for a little while longer, and we got the alarm again. So once we got the second alarm, we shut it off. We started diving into it. Come on up, babe. We started diving into it pretty good at that point, and we we looked at we took the steps off, tore the impeller apart, and the impeller was just chewed up. So we have, how many impellers would you say on board?
Oh, probably 5, maybe 6.
5 or 6, yeah. Yeah.
Spare impellers.
Yeah. How many of them do you think actually fit this effing boat? I'd say 0 based on the numbers we've looked at. So,
and they were ordered as the right part.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
I don't know.
So a shout out to Towboat US. We have their gold membership. I don't know what that means, but we've talked to Towboat. We've talked to the U.S. Coast Guard,
and the Coast Guard wasn't our fault. They sent us to the Coast
Guard.
Yeah.
We didn't reach out to the Coast Guard. They just flew a plane over us, I guess, to make sure we were okay. We're literally, I can see land, I can see cars traveling down the road, but we have a little ways to go. So anyway, Wayne is coming to tow us back to Port Sanilac, and once Wayne gets here, we'll get towed back, and then we'll hopefully find the right impeller. But for now, this is our view. So
I can give you the cord.
So that's where we are. All right, we'll update you on the rescue, on the Tom Hanks rescue. So all right, see you guys. Bye. Video update. We are 34 days into the rescue. I feel like Tom Hanks. There's no food. There's no water. Amazingly enough, there's still booze, if that gives you any indication of how much we actually left port with. So no, actually, Wayne is on his way, and we should be rescued in the next hour or so, and then we'll get towed back to Port Sanilac, and I guess from there we'll just get a new impeller. I don't know.
Now I understand most of you are thinking, why do they need a motor? It's a sailboat. Aren't they sailing?
Great question.
Yes, we are sailing. Yes, we could sail to Port Huron. It would probably take about 3 times as long given the current wind.
Yeah.
And then getting into the dock, we have no experience docking while under sail. So we're just going to try to get this taken care of now.
Yeah.
Rather than do something stupid.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. There were 3 other people on board. We've killed and eaten them. They're, you know what I mean? So it just, it's getting dicey out here. Okay, I'm just saying. So we'll give you another update once we get back to civilization and get our feet on solid ground again.
Also, in the wise words of Captain Ron, if it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen out there. It happened.
Out here. Hey guys, just an update. We are safely back at the harbor. We have a impeller issue, and we have 6 on board, and they are all the wrong size. So we're gonna wait here for a couple of days till we get a new one in, and then we'll be back on the water. So all right, we'll give you an update when we get it. See you guys. Bye.